Nikola, I love that guy. You know, he's a hero in our country. Obviously, what he has been doing in the last 5 years in NBA has been historic, you know, to say the least. Football is the biggest sport we have in our country historically, and we've had plenty of success. And you know, we played the USA. We almost beat you guys.
Man,
we almost beat you guys last year. Is a phenomenon. You know, honestly, what he does, how he does it. So yeah, I mean, I really respect that. You know, he's such a talent, but he also works hard, and he has got a huge basketball IQ. And just to see him dominate with incredible athletes in American basketball is just something that we're all very proud of. And then every year we have either it's a European championship or world championship or Olympic games. And then it is always a question mark, will he play? Is he going to play for his national team? It's a lot of responsibility on him. I get him, I understand that. But you know, he has done so much for our country and for the basketball as a whole.